There we go. Hi! Hello from the other side. CJ here. If you haven't noticed, today's video is gonna be different. What I'm currently sitting on is the new TTRacing Maxx Pro gaming chair. So, what makes this bad boy special? Let's talk about it in this review. First things first, assembly. Of course, this thing wasn't shipped in its final form already. Imagine the box size of that. We had to assemble multiple parts like the wheelbase, casters, tilt mechanism, down to the footrest, and it was pretty easy. The assembly guide was pretty straightforward, and there was even a video reference to boot. I mean, there were two of us assembling the chair, and it took us about an hour to complete. I did most of the attaching, and he did most of the heavy lifting. As he should.
Oh boy.
The assembly time would have been a lot shorter if we were able to attach this hinge cover thing. That's this guy over here. It just wasn't possible to attach since it needs a little bit of accuracy to get the screws into the right places. We were able to attach them eventually, but it took some force to do so. Now, let's talk about the gaming chair itself. The TTRacing Maxx Pro that we have here is in a color combination of gray and black, upholstered with hybrid materials made of faux leather and plush velour fabric. There's also, come here, this white colorway. Come here, spin. Now, chupe. Bye-bye. Anywho, it definitely looks and feels premium, and the colors aren't trying to get any attention. I like the minimalist vibe, but you can still see some character through its design accents here and there. The seat base is pretty thick and wide, which I prefer over other ergonomic chairs with unnecessary squeeze on the thigh area. One design detail that stood out to me is the honeycomb ventilation on the back. It's a small but smart choice, especially for a market like the Philippines, where heat buildup on a chair can genuinely ruin your sitting experience. Another design choice that I like are the chrome finish casters that glide smoothly and quietly across the floors and even across carpets. On the hardware side, TTRacing spec'd this with the Class 4 SGS hydraulic cylinder for height adjustment, which is the kind of component you'd want on a chair you're planning to use for years. Out of the box, it comes loaded with neck and lumbar pillows, adjustable armrests, and a footrest, all of which are wrapped with velour fabric. The neck pillow is magnetically attached and can be adjusted vertically to match your height. It also has a memory foam core, by the way. Probably my favorite are the 5D armrests that you can adjust to your liking. Two layers here can be rotated 360 degrees and also have adjustable height. So if I don't want it in this height, I'd go higher. If it's too high for me, lower. Can also do a flip. No, I'm kidding. Can also spin 360. Completing the whole ergonomic chair experience is the extendable footrest. The footrest actually has two sides. There's the velour foam padded side, and if you're a little bit OC and don't want to get it dirty, there's a hard plastic side as well. Recline-wise, it supports up to 135 degrees. I tested it fully reclined and it feels stable and well supported. Reclining it to that degree actually feels reassuring, and I didn't feel like I would fall on my back taking a nap on this chair. So, should you get the TTRacing Maxx Pro? Look, we mostly review smartphones here, and if this were a phone, I'd say it offers a complete, satisfying experience. It's got that flagship comfort anyone would need, whether it's for work or gaming. The looks aren't too flashy, and you can adjust a lot of the things that it came with. From the 5D armrest down to the double-sided footrest, plus the honeycomb ventilation on the backrest is genuinely a well-thought-out feature that just makes sense in the Philippine climate. Especially if you're trying to save up on electricity costs by leaving the AC off for a while. Ultimately, what really matters is the comfort an ergonomic or gaming chair could bring. And with the TTRacing Maxx Pro, it certainly delivers. Before we end this video, you might be asking, how much is this chair? Visiting the TTRacing Philippines website, the Maxx Pro is currently selling for 23,999 pesos. And that's about it for this review. How about you? What do you think about the TTRacing Maxx Pro? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, sub to the channel, and follow us on our socials for more tech news and reviews. Again, this has been CJ, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later. Okay, give me that Switch. We're gonna play. Yep. Bye! Uy, sali ka. Come here. Okay, we're gonna go play. Bye! Honestly, that's a steal. Yeah, with a desk and a chair? My goodness! You know how much desks are? I've been expecting you, Mr. Bond. No! You couldn't go faster than that. Gusto ko kita yan sa outtake. Can your gaming chair do this?